a planet of our galaxy, a solar system known only to one kind. There is life, but with life comes death. Death comes sadness. With sadness comes pain. Pain comes war. But from war there can be hope, happiness, a resolution can be created. That resolution is light. Light can bring eternal happiness to all, but light can create more powerful souls. That one soul